Perfect.
All right, I'm gonna stand behind you.
Yeah.
So that we can look at me.
Come over here.
Oh yes, he's very
Perfect.
cool. Okay.
Oh wait, we altered our microphone position. Let me try to get it more this way. Good. Perfect.
There you go.
Mhm.
All right. Okay, let me get behind you.
Yeah.
What's your name and the name of your business?
My name is Simon Schofield, and my business, my company, is Happy Elephant LLC. But we are going to change the name to Happy Elephant Reserve, because now with all this new technology, new information, I'm going to kind of restart the whole thing.
Nice.
You know.
Okay.
But yeah.
Good. And what did you think about ChatGPT before you came to the mastermind?
Didn't really think about it.
Yeah.
It wasn't something I wanted to get engaged in, because I've just spent so much time, social media with the company, with the product, online, not done so well. But we sell aloe vera face cream to the direct public at shows and exhibitions, festivals, and similar things. So we're just dealing with the public directly. So the online is just there to help our existing customer base reorder.
Right.
All right. But yes, I want to get online. I want to get on Amazon. I want to do all these things. But with this AI, you completely, you got me. I had to rethink the entire future of the company now.
That's it.
The most remarkable thing about the mastermind of this conference is it's pulled me back together again. It's given me faith in, should we say, talking to computers, because a lot of the time now we talk to computers, chatbots, all this kind of stuff, which is extremely boring and frustrating, because it really can stop you more than it can help you. But with this particular 2 days, what I've learned is equivalent to my entire lifetime in my previous industry, all in one couple of days.
Awesome.
So it's absolutely amazing.
Awesome.
I'm looking forward to the next one, which is on advertising and so on. But with AI, it actually feels like we really have entered a completely different era of communication. To such an extent, it might actually be able to empower people to actually get our planet back to normal. Get it away from war, and threat of nuclear war, get it back to abundant food, you name it. Maybe sort out the politics in a country like America. There's so much potential just because of this almost like godlike computer person called AI. So
Great.
spiritually, it's going to help a lot of people.
I agree 100%. And I think that's awesome. So, since you gave us so much good information, what do you think about the speaker, Manuel?
I never liked him because
Stop.
he came through on Facebook like all the time. It was like enough. Now I just told him I love him.
Oh.
So I just want to set the record straight because he knows me. But no, what he's, I come from a different industry. I come from a sound recording industry, 70s and the 80s in London. So I've worked with a lot of people. I have a Grammy for my work with Olivia Newton-John and so on.
Wow.
A lot of hit records and albums. So I've been in a technology that we now call analog that moved through into digital. It sort of went from records, vinyl records, to CDs, to digital downloads, to streaming, and so on. I've seen that evolution run up ahead of me. This one is going right up vertical. This AI and what we can do with it, marketing, sales, etc. Instead of taking a long, curve over 20 years, this one is in weeks. It goes straight up. which is alarming if you can see it that way. So my hat is off to Manuel, because he's actually brought it completely to us. He's engaged with it, he's confronted it, he's found out how it works, and given it to us. So it's, I can't thank him enough. I'm going to bring tons of people.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
All
very
right.
much.
Are you already